Hi everyone, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Creature by Favi. Today's video will be another $3 DIY for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy it and stay to the end. So here are the materials that you guys will need. 3 picture frames from dollar store, like I mentioned it before. I really love those frames. They look like wooden frames, but they're not. They're plastic. We will need some black and white acrylic paint, some popsicle sticks. Also this I don't know how you call that, but it's like a decoration for summer and borders. I don't know. We also will need some scissors, some brushes and pens and pencil, and some hot glue, of course, and some tape, some twine, and also some burlap ribbon. So let's go ahead and get creative. So first I remove the plastic and pull apart the entire frame. I used a small screwdriver to remove the clip and then also to remove the back of the picture frame, just like so. You're going to repeat the same step with the other 2 frames. You will end it with something like this. Then now I use the tape just to cover the part that I don't want to get messy with the paint. Then I paint those little windows with the black acrylic paint to give you a farmhouse look or rustic look or more like nice look. But if you like silver, that's okay. I was looking for some dark color, and so I used the black paint. Then I remove the tape and also I paint the part that wasn't painted. Then I use a small brush to paint those fake screws on the bottom, just like so, only on the bottom. Then with the summer bird, I remove the hanger part on the back, just pulling a little bit, and they came off right away. Then I used the white acrylic paint only with 2 pieces, just like so. Then I cut 3 pieces of burlap at the same side of the little windows. So I used the cardboard there wasn't on there as a stencil, and then I just cut it. Just like so. And then I used a little bit of hot glue on the cardboard to glue it with the ribbon, just like so, just a little bit. Then I repeat the step with the other 2 pieces. And then I use the marker to write the word wash, dry, and fall. Then I use the black acrylic paint just to reinforce the color on the letters with a really thin brush. You can tell the difference, just like so. Beautiful. So then on the frame I draw a washing machine and hanger and also a basket. As you can see, we can use anything as a ruler, so I use the popsicle stick as a ruler to draw the washer machine. Then to draw a circle, I use a shot glass. You can use anything you have in hand, something like that. And then I draw a hanger, and then I draw a basket. just like so. I think it looked like a basket. Then I use some acrylic paint and really thin brush to paint it. Just like so. I think it looks beautiful already. As you can see, the frame has the little circle on the center, so I just mark it a little bit with the paint, and that is like the illusion of the reflection of the glass. So then with the hanger, I use white acrylic paint just to have the really nice contrast, I think so. And then I put it back the little windows with the side, and I use a little bit of hot glue, and then I just put it back just like so. So then when I'm done with the little windows, I just covered a little bit the scratches with the black paint. And then I turned over the 3 frames, make sure that you had it in the right order, and then I used the hot glue to glue it all together, just like so. So then I put it back, the back of the picture frame. Then to reinforcement, I use 4 popsicle sticks, just like so. I also remove the stains to the picture frame. Beautiful. And then I use the twine to cover those fake screws on the top, and also to give you a rustic look. Absolutely beautiful. I really love the way it looks. You can leave it like that at this point, but I decided to create another sign and then glue it on top. But you can do this as a separate DIY, and that would be beautiful either way. So after I glue the both pieces together with the hot glue, I just draw the word laundry, and then I use the black acrylic paint and I paint it just like so. Beautiful. And then I just use more white acrylic paint just to clean the mess, the imperfection. And now, like I mentioned it before, you can leave it like that, just as separate DIYs, and hang it like that. But I decided to glue it, and so to be able to glue it together, I use a popsicle stick. I cut it in half, and then I glue it, and then it was easy to attach it to the front, just like so. Make sure you use a really good amount of the hot glue, otherwise it will fall apart. Then I let it dry for a couple minutes, and then I use a little bit of black paint just to give you a little bit a distressed look, something like that. And basically that's all. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, enjoy the DIY, and thank you so much for watching and continue support, like I always say. And of course, if you like this DIY, please give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bells, and then you can get notification when I upload a new video. So see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.